Hey everyone, welcome to this video where we'll be talking about React.js, one of the most popular and widely used JavaScript libraries for building user interfaces. So, what exactly is React.js? React is a JavaScript library developed by Facebook for building reusable UI components. It's designed to help developers build complex user interfaces with ease by breaking them down into smaller, more manageable pieces. React is built around a component-based architecture, which means that you can break your application down into small, reusable pieces of code called components. Each component represents a part of your UI and can be composed together to build larger, more complex interfaces. As you can see, a React component is just a JavaScript function that returns some JSX, a syntax extension that allows you to write HTML-like code in your JavaScript. This component can then be reused throughout your application wherever you need it. Now, let's take a look at a simple React app in action. Here we have a basic to-do list app built with React. As you can see, we have a list of items that we can add to, mark as complete, and delete. Each item is represented by a separate React component, which makes it easy to manage and update the UI.
If you're interested in learning more about React, I highly recommend checking out the official documentation. It's full of helpful guides, tutorials, and examples that will get you up and running with React in no time. Thanks for watching this introduction to React.js. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.